Hare Krishna, everyone. My name is Devala, and I'm going to show you a really simple beat that you can play in most kirtans when the kirtans are just starting out. It's a very mellow beat. It's good for those really mellow, maybe even quiet kirtans, or at least where the percussions need to be quiet. So it's a very mellow beat, and it's also the beat that is played in, well, you hear it in many recordings, but particularly the Vrikshavalli recording, Vrikshavalli Hare Krishna melody that John V. Harrison sings. I'll put a link for that in the description as well. You can check that out and maybe try it after you learn it, listen to the recording and play along with it. It's such a great beat and it's very simple. It's also in the book, one of the books you'll have access to when you sign up for classes. It's in the second book. So if you're one of our students, you can check it out. It's in the Kirtan bonus section at the end of the second book. So here's how it goes. There are only 2 hits that we use for it, okay? So the first one is like that. So it's open on the big side and 3 fingers on the small side, okay? Dhin. So it's dhin. D-H-I-N. Dhin. So it's open and 3 fingers. Dhin. And then the second hit is tak, T-A-K, tak, and that's with 1 finger and close on the big side, all right? So dhin and tak, okay? On the small side, dhin, tak, right? So that's all we're gonna use. We're gonna combine that in a certain way and it will produce this beat, okay? So watch this, dhin, tak, it's not actually, it seems very easy, but I think that sometimes getting the timing right can be a bit of a challenge for people. So let's practice that together, okay? So, well, first of all, give it a try yourself. Pause the video and give it a try yourself. And then let's do it together a little bit, and then we can play the recording and play along with her, okay? So here we go. Dhin, tak, dhin, tak, tak, dhin, tak, dhin. Of course, in a real kirtan, you'll play it a lot quieter than that. I'm playing it louder so you can hear it nicely. Perhaps you'll play it quieter, play it at appropriate volume. And you notice maybe I was doing a little extra on the small side. I was going din, tak, din, tak, tak, din. So I was just doing a little something to keep the timing, but you don't have to worry too much about that. If you're more of an advanced Mridanga player, then you'll be able to do that, but especially if you're a beginner, maybe not. But so here we go. Let's try this video out. So I'm going to play the Vrikshavalli Hare Krishna melody, and let's play along with her. Coming.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Tak, tak, dhin, tak, dhin, tak, tak, dhin, tak, dhin, tak, 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 dhin, tak, dhin, tak, tak, dhin, tak, dhin, tak, tak, dhin, tak, dhin. invite you to try it out yourself and check it out. It's in the link. It's pretty much the same beat that they're playing. You can't hear the Mridanga so clearly, but I'm familiar with the beat, and I think I'm familiar with the Mridanga player as well, and he uses that beat often. So give it a try. Please subscribe and contact us if you like to sign up for classes. Hare Krishna.